So this is how I doubled my salary within 6 months of working in a tech company as a product designer. I did one simple thing, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did so you can adapt it for your next salary raise request. A few years ago, earlier in my career, I took a job that was fine. At the time, I couldn't prove I was worth more, and the company told me they could only pay me $18,000 a year, and that was the best they could offer. Now, I was living in Nigeria then, not in a market like the UK where the rates are more competitive, and honestly, I needed a job and I liked the company, I liked the people, so I said yes, but I had a plan. It was a startup, so of course I wore many hats. I very quickly became clear to me that I was grossly underpaid, but instead of arguing or trying to convince anyone with emotions, I decided that no, I'll make it impossible to deny my value, and I decided that at some point I would make a salary raise request. So I needed evidence, not opinions. From day one, I opened a simple note on my phone and I started what I call a weekly impact log. Nothing fancy, just a running list that I updated every week. Now here's what I wrote down. Work that moved the needle for the business. Work that organized the team or created some structure. Work that unblocked other people, like how I helped other people. Work that reduced confusion or risk, and of course the executions and discoveries that led to shift outcomes of business decisions. Each entry was short. I was focused on the problem, what I did, and the impact. And if there was a document, a design or note, I linked it. Obviously, I didn't log everything, but just the things that mattered. Now fast forward to about 6 months later, I turned those notes into a short track record and I drafted a performance and salary review email to my CEO. I highlighted the most important outcomes I had driven, explained all the extra responsibilities I had taken on, showed where I was operating above my level, and linked to proof. My goal was simple: make it obvious that I was underpaid. Now, this is a very good point to subscribe. Just hit that big red button. So I ended that email by saying I would love to discuss it further, and he asked for a call. And during the call, after we talked a bit, he said, "So what do you have in mind?" Now this is where most people play it safe, but I didn't. I said I wanted double. Remember, I was earning $18,000. I could have asked for 25 or 30, but I asked for 36. And the reason I could say that confidently was because I had proof of impact. I had already done the market research, I knew what the role was worth, and I had receipts for the value that I had created. So I said something like, based on my current scope, the value that I've delivered, and the market rate, I believe doubling my salary brings it in line with the role I'm actually doing. I was calm and specific, and he granted it. That exact moment taught me 3 big lessons. First, when you have evidence, denial becomes very hard. Second, don't lowball yourself. Now I could have asked for less, but my proof supported more. And third, only you are the biggest advocate of your career. Don't wait for things to change on their own. People are moved by what you can show you did. Companies don't pay you what you think you're worth. They pay you what you can prove you're worth. So here's what you can do right now, today. Open a simple note and write down your company's top goals or outcomes and start logging meaningful contributions every week. Keep it short, keep it focused on outcomes, on the value you've created. And when you've built a solid track record, turn that into a short summary, link your proof, write that email, and ask for the conversation. Build evidence, then pitch. I hope this helps. And if it did, hit the subscribe button. Share with someone who needs this. I've got more videos like this coming your way. Bye.